In this video, we are going to show what is perhaps the first thing we need to take into account before we start unwrapping an object. So we are going to see it easy with a cube. Let's hit Shift A, add mesh. Let's select a cube. Go down here to the little triangle, uncheck this generate UVs. We are going to generate our own UVs, but first let's do this. I hit N for this panel and check the scale. I am going to scale the cube down in Z, scale Z, like this. So now the scale is not 1, 1, 1. It is 1, 1 and 0.5. Now imagine that we are in edit mode with tab and we get back to the previous size by scaling instead 2 units. This way we have the same cube that at the beginning, or at least so it seems. However, if we mark the seams, all the faces, let's do all the faces, and unwrap it, we see something unexpected here. We see that only 2 faces are square, which is expectable since this is a square, but the other 4 are twice the size in one of the axes. So if we assign a material that I have ready here, indeed we see here that the texture is stretched along these faces, and it's not stretched in this one and this one. So it's stretched precisely in the faces that we have scaled down, up, and well, if we use the color grid, have it here, we see the same. This is stretched. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of letters horizontally, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, double the number vertically. So what this is going to create an unwrap that it's not proportional, not proportional, it's not correctly scaled to the shape that we have. So how do we fix this? We have to go to object mode, hitting tab, and now we hit CTRL A, and this is the apply menu, and we select scale, and look at the scale numbers, because when I press scale, Z is going to change to 1. So 1, 2, 3, and go. And now the scale is 1, 1, 1. What does that mean? That means that when we unwrap, now everything is scaled correctly to the shape that we have. And that's what I wanted to explain in this short video. Remember, always apply the scale before starting to unwrap. Always.